Hey guys, it's Nikki Ray. Welcome to another beautiful day. Today we are going to work on connecting our heart and our throat chakras together. So we have a fluid line of kunduri for our energy to speak its truth, for us to be in our authentic selves. Agiku uria yati ki ayatai ia tuku uria yati ayatai atuku uria yati ia tuku uria yatai ia yatai ia yatai Uri kuria yatia yatuku. Uri ayataya kai. Ia chaturia kayatai. Ia yatia yataya kai. Ia yatai kia yatai. Koria yatai yatai yato. Uri ayatai kia yatai. Yatai yatoro. Ia kaya tukuri ututu. Uri yatai yatakai yatukuri kia takai. Usha tukuri ayatai yatai. Ia kaya tuku. Uri ayatai yakaya kaya kaya tukuri kia tai ayatoria. Ayati ayatai yaturururururururururu. Yatai yakuria kaya kia 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 kai. Uyatayatu. Uriatayatayatayaturu. Ayashaturi ayatayitai. Iaturi ayatai. Iaturukuri ayatayakayatu kiatai. Iaturi ayatayakayatayata. Iatukuru. Uyasatayakiatai. Iaturi ayatai kiatayatu. Iaturi atayakiatayatayatarieta. Iaturu kururiatai. Iatia yatayetayatu. Uriatia yata. Iatur kuriatai kiata. I feel like some of the stuff that's getting removed is from the general consciousness that we are carrying together. Be sure you guys are calling back your energy, dissolving cords, and are honoring your true selves. Iyakaiku. Iyakuriki ayatai. I do have sessions available if you are needing extra help. Please reach out. Love you all.